presenting the GMC 2016 Sierra 1500 SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: trailering equipment, 6 speakers, 6-speaker audio system, AM/FM radio, CD player, HD radio, radio data system, radio, AM/FM stereo with 8 diagonal color touchscreen and single slot CD MP3 player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.